Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Kyle Grimm. This is 70% Art, and today I'm going to show you how you can cut your own hair at home in 5 minutes or less using 3 different mirrors to see the back of your head. So how this works is if you have one of these kind of drawer mirrors, you can just open it up a little bit offset like this, so you can almost see around your head through one of these mirrors actually behind you. So for the right side of my head, I'm going to look through this way. And for the left, I'll look through the other way there. All right, then let's get started. See how fast we can do this. 5 minutes on the clock. I'm just gonna use an 1/8 inch guard right now. This is really all I want to clean up this kind of like more on top haircut. All right, that'll do it for the 1/8 inch guard, 1/4 inch guard. Now, I'm just gonna do a little fade. All right, wow, 2 minutes and 20 seconds down. Last thing I'll probably do is just go no guard, clean up things like the back of my neck here. Just kind of using my hand as a guard. Clean up the ears. All right, and as far as this experiment is concerned, I think that'll do it. Peace, see you later. Check that out. 3 minutes, 20 seconds, no problem. So thanks so much. That's the 5-minute haircut. See you next time.